learning all the tricks. Dad Riffs.
Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to finish classical gas. Alright, so luckily it's mostly things that you already know. The spot we left off was after the big climb that's really fast and tipo, 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 which makes it different from the first climb because the first climb is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And after that, it goes into the chorus, which you already know, and then after that, it goes to these bar chords that I actually told you to not do bar chords, but honestly, when you're flying through the song, it's the only way to do it is just do these silly bar chords like I said originally. And just instead of going bo-dang, bo-de, bo-de, just hit them once. The song is so fast, you don't have time to do all this extra nonsense, and it's going to keep the shape quite simple as well. And then it gets, of course, to this part. The goofy D part where you take your middle finger off. You already know this. The first time it goes like this on guitar. And then the horns kick in. After the horns go through their whole section, the horns do it as well, but they go like this. And then it goes into the brrr. And then the third time it does it, it's after the chorus where we just left off, and it just goes like this on guitar. You take your pinky and just go like that. It's weird. It's like an upstroke. And I mute the string with my thumb. You can mute it with this thumb or this one, but you don't want to hit that E string. You just want to go, and then it goes into a little drum fill, and then it goes up to the last part of the song, which is, of course, the same little verse that we already know. It only does that little riff twice, and then it goes into the original climb, which sounds like this. And then when it gets to here, instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes to what you just learned in the last lesson, which is the dippo, betto, dippo. So it's a blend of both of them. And after you get all the way through that climb, which is in the last video, I don't need to go through that. Instead of going into a chorus, you actually go to an A minor bar chord, and then a D major bar chord, and then you go to a G major bar chord, just like in the other endings of the choruses. And then you go to the C bar chord, F major bar chord, A sharp major bar chord, and then this time it goes like this. And then you throw your pinky right here, which is on the D string. It is the 4th fret, and just does the same pattern you just did. And then you actually hit an open G string, and then A major. And that's it. That's the whole song. So again, what you just learned is pretty much parts that you already know. The new stuff that you learned today was this A minor bar chord going to the D major, which just adds on to the chaos that we've already done before. It's just an extra 2 chords. So the ending sounds like this. Congratulations, you learned like the hardest acoustic song that I know. Good luck, sir, good luck.